Okay, my situation is that I am traveling back to my base camp, and I know my bearing because I have a compass and I have a map. And I know that back to my base camp is exactly 270 degrees, which is west. But unfortunately, I've lost my compass and I've lost my map because I was washed down a river. So, this is gone, my map is gone. I have no bearings. So how do I find out where I need to go? This is how you do it. I'll leave the compass here for reference sake. Fortunately, I have a pin that I have in my first aid kit, and something I normally wouldn't carry is a half a hamburger refrigerator magnet, but the key is the magnet. If I take the pin and I draw it across the magnet in one direction, not back and forth, anywhere, circles or anything, you have to draw it in one direction, I can magnetize the tip of the pin. So I continue to drag the tip of that needle across my magnet, which actually causes the pin to become magnetized. Now my pin is magnetized. Now I have a bowl of water, or you could use any kind of still water. Obviously you don't want to use moving water. A canteen of water poured into a cup works fine. Going to take a piece of blade of grass. I'm going to float it into the water, and I am going to place my needle that I magnetized on top of the leaf. I have my compass, for reference sake, pointing to north. As you can see, the needle will point generally in the north direction. Now, you're usually going to get anywhere from a 20 to 24 degree difference. As you can see in this case, it's actually fairly close. So by looking at this, I know that this end is pointing directly north. Now, my direction that I was traveling was 270 degrees, which is west, which is a 90-degree angle from north. So if I want, I can place a stick over my needle at a 90-degree angle, and if you can see, now I know generally that west is in that direction. Granted, this is not a perfect method, but it will give you a general direction and give you, at least a basis of a direction you want to travel in.